like even passing urine and passing stools. So they have to provide that support. Then support for his spiritual needs, and also support for financial needs for taking the treatment like surgery or chemotherapy, or if patient requires any long-term supports like patient is bedridden and requires a water mattress. So all this require financial support. So basically the relatives have a very important role to.
We'll be right back after this very short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back, you're watching Goa 365. The people of Margao joined the nation in paying homage to the victims of the 60-hour terror attack that struck Mumbai a week back.
People gathered at the Gogol Road junction in Margao on Wednesday night as they took part in a candlelight vigil to express solidarity with all those affected by the terror attacks.
The state's Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza laid the foundation stone for the development of a nalla along with desilting and retaining wall from the railway culvert to the sewage treatment plant at Vasco on Thursday morning.
Speaking to Goa 365, the Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza informed about the 30-year pending demand of the desilting and retaining wall.
डिसिल्ड करपाचो हो नाला आनी डिसिल्ड करून बांदकाम सायडीन करपाचें हो नालाचें एक एस्टिमेट सुमार आहा अबाउट 1,35 lakhs. हें वर्क हें काम म्हाका दिसता 30 ते 40 वर्सांनी ह्या कामाची आयज सुरवात जाता. लोकांक हांगा रावतल्या लोकांक भाव भयणांक जायतो त्रास जातालो की उदक धरण उरतालें आनी हांव ते भाशेन फ्लो हेका मेळूना आसलो. सो इमिजिएटली आमी एका 8 म्हयन्या भितर हो एस्टिमेट घालून आयज हो इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंटान वॉटर रिसोर्सीस डिपार्टमेंटान मिनिस्टरान बाब फिलीप नॅरीन आनी सीन आयज जायतो फुडाकारी घेवन आयज हो प्रोजेक्ट हो एस्टिमेट पास केलो आनी आयज हाची काम सुरवात जावची आसा.
He further urged the people of Vasco to support the development works undertaken in the city.
जे वाड्यांनी व शहरान आमच्या डेव्हलपमेंट जाता जाल्यार हे लोकांचे खातीर जाता आनी हे डेव्हलपमेंट आमचो कायदो जाणा एकल्याचो MLAचो जाणा एकल्याचो इलेक्टेड पर्सनांचो की आमच्या वाड्यांनी हांव ते भाशेन सुविधा आसची फावो ते भाशेन लोकांक जो प्रॉब्लेम जाता ते फावो ते भाशेन तांगा डेव्हलपमेंट जावचो. पूण हांव एकूच सांगूंक करता सगळे सिटीजन भाव भयणां लागीं की जे काम जाता आपल्या वाड्यांनी जे काम जाता आपली एक सुविधा आयज बऱ्या वाड्यांनी जाता ओपोज करिनाका.
Margao is gearing up for the feast of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception that will be celebrated on the 8th of December at the Holy Spirit Church, and the Margao Municipal Council is in the process of making arrangements to divert the traffic and provide space for the stalls that will be set up as part of the festivities.
Speaking to Goa 365, Savio Coutinho, the chairperson of the Margao Municipal Council, told us the reasons for not permitting the stalls on the footpath this year, a system that was followed in the previous years.
Used to be put on the footpaths all along the road, the national highway as well as the swimming pool side. So now this year we have decided that no stalls shall be allowed on the footpaths. Basically this also is the reason behind this is the traffic congestion that takes place. We have decided that the stalls shall be shifted this year in front of SGPDA complex shall be erected for pedestrians opposite the court so that they can enter directly from the main road into that place where the fair is to be located this year.
YB Tavde, the chief officer of the Margao Municipal Council, spoke about the new arrangements for the stalls this year.
We made an elaborate arrangement in that SPDA ground because with the efforts and dialogues with the SPDA, our new chairperson and myself, we have dialogues with this SPDA chairperson, member secretary, and we got land in terms of that 30% we have to pay them. According to that, we are going to chalk out around 1100 stalls in that ground.
Knowledge about dyslexia, a learning disorder, became better known following the release of the mega hit Tare Zameen Par early this year.
The movie brought to attention the insecurities and psychological problems faced by children with learning disabilities. And taking a cue from the movie was the Dempe College of Arts and Science, Miramar, which introduced a course on child development to enable teachers, parents and counselors recognize and better understand these special children burdened with disorders. They are little able to comprehend and handle themselves. Our senior reporter, Murari Shetty, has this report. Mukta Karmali, lecturer in psychology at the Dempe College of Arts and Science, elaborated on the various disorders that children could encounter during their formative years.
See, there are many developmental problems or disorders which interfere with efficient learning, which leads to significant deficits in learning or academic skills, I can say, as well as a chronic scholastic failure. So, they are, to name some, learning disabilities like difficulties in learning to read, spell, write, as well as speak and listen. So, these are entire group is known as learning disability, and also you have attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. These children also have tremendous problems in paying attention and learning effectively, and even we have slow learners in schools. So these are the major categories of children we are covering in our course. So learning disabled and slow learners as well as hyperactive children.
Ms. Karmali also enlightened us on signs to look for that could suggest a child has a disorder.
Usually it reflects in their works, okay? They cannot read properly, they cannot write, spell correctly and all that. Usually their academic achievements are 2 years below their age as well as what is expected. Okay, at that. So these are, but there are diagnostic tests also. That is, you have standardized achievement tests, process tests are there, perceptual tests we can use, intelligence tests, okay, and even fine motor coordination or eye-hand coordination tests are there. Various tests which are standardized ones, which could be used and it could be diagnosed.
Early detection is the key to handling these problems in the young, and Ms. Karmali told us about how parents could make a positive difference in the life of these children with special needs.
You can teach them in using different methods, like sensory process training is there, as well as multiple sensory approach we take. So using different teaching strategies, we can make them learn better.
We also spoke to people who had enrolled for the course being offered by the Dempe College of Arts and Science.
Goa is a very small state, such field like psychology has not been developed, but this is a very good step. I feel that it has been developing and enhancing. So with the youth, I have doing volunteer service in IPHP and Disha, so I was really impressed, and I was actually one way sympathized and felt pity also that we have such children in our nation. So I felt that I should take a first step to improve such conditions.
My main purpose was to make the people aware. As a doctor, I think I can make many people aware of this problem. In the society, many people don't know about this. The children get beatings in the school by the parents. I basically thought I could make a difference to this type of children.
And with that, we come to the end of this bulletin. We'll be back with more news and analysis from the news desk of Goa 365. Until then, goodbye.